All right. We are in the home stretch here. So the car has been totally, basically it's finished. It's been washed, wheels washed, wheel wells washed, door jambs cleaned, iron remover on the entire thing, clay barred the entire thing. Then I did a one-step polish, really more like a 1.5-step polish. I'm pretty sure this had prior ceramic coating on it. Got through all of that, got it to about 80%, 85%. It looks fabulous compared to where it did. And now we're gonna apply Gtechniq Crystal Serum Ultra on everything on the exterior. I'm also gonna do the wheel faces with that. So, pretty simple. Have an applicator, microfiber applicator. These are made to do this, so they have like an interior lining on them to help from losing a lot of product by being absorbed inside the sponge. So I'll do the car on four quadrants. So I'll start here, I'll do a section of the car, and then I'll flip it, I'll do another section of the car, section. So that way, basically, I have the whole car done with one sponge using 4 sections. That just make sure if I as I work my way around, if I capture any contaminants or the Ultra starts to set up, I'm able to kind of move. So by the time I'm at the end, I'm not using one section that's been contaminated and I'm scratching the car up or whatever. Cloth 1, cloth 2. Cloth 1 will be the first wipe. Cloth 2 will be the second wipe, and then I have a very plush cloth 3, which will just be a final big wipe around that section. And you'll see I apply pretty much immediately, come back and wipe again. And as I'm wiping, I get bigger and bigger with the cleaner towels to make sure I'm getting any extras off the edges. Again, this was all just wipe this down, panel wipe to make sure there's no dust or anything on it. I have pretty good lighting here, but also have a hand light. So after every step, after every little section that I do, I'm alone, I'm by myself, so I don't have guys coming behind and following up and making sure I'm not missing anything. So I'm going to do a pretty small section at a time, and then when I'm done, I'm going to come around for light and check, make sure I've gotten everything, and at that point I'll move to the next section. So, Crystal Serum Ultra. And I get the sponge pretty good this first time. This is almost wipe on, wipe off. Work pretty quick. Splashing already. One. This is doing is just getting heavy stuff off. And then come in with rag 2, and then start buffing. Alright, 3. Sharpen all the edges. Take light. I'm going to shut the overheads off. It's hard with this plexiglass because it's see-through. Alright, that looks good. So I'm gonna do that, keep doing that, work my way around. Alright, so bring you back here to wrap things up on the coating. Been working my way around. She looks just gorgeous. Now when flat paint is corrected, it's pretty amazing from a gloss perspective, especially when it's coated. Obviously this coating is still hardening, so I think it'll get even better overnight here, but almost liquid. It's about 85, like I said, about 85% corrected. The majority of people, more than the majority of people, won't be able to pick anything out without the right light. Actually, no one can pick out anything without the right light. There are a couple high spots with the old coating that I just couldn't polish out. I polished it multiple times, and I was afraid I was going to go too much on the surrounding paint. So, but otherwise, it's in just fantastic shape. So, last but not least, here I have this quarter panel to do, and then the front bumper, and then that'll be it. This headlight here, I did that headlight already. So this quarter panel, this headlight, front bumper, and then everything's coated. I just got to do the wheels I'll coat the wheels real fast. Got to dress the tires, and then he didn't ask for anything on the inside. He said not to touch it, but I will go through and just give it a quick wipe and just a quick wipe down and a quick vacuum just to make it look nice. I don't like to do all this work on a car and have someone spend as much money as he spent to get this done, and then not at least make the inside look presentable. So. I'll probably do that tomorrow while I'm waiting for this to set up. And right now I'm scheduled to have another car in the morning to do a quick detail for the morning session, and then I'll probably do the inside of this in the afternoon. So I'll stick with me here. We'll wrap things up on the last two panels, and then that'll be it for the Corvette.